Hello, welcome to my channel. Right now, I have this mathematics paper 2 non-calculator, and it is October number 2025. We have already done question 7. You can check on my previous video. So now we will do from 8. Okay, so the question is, Kemi buys P pens that each costs 40 cents. She pays with $20. Write an expression in terms of P for the change in cents can be received from the $20. Okay, it's pretty simple. So we will work with cents. So $20 means how many cents? 20, 100, so 2000 cents, right? Okay, what is the price for P pence, right? So price for P pence, if one pen is 40 cents, then P pen will be 40 P cents. Does it make sense or no? You see, if P is 1, so there's 40 cents. If P is 2, that is 80 cents. If P is 3, so it is 120 cents. So on. So the amount of money, amount of the cost of the pen is 40p. So what is left from this $20 is minus 40p. So this is the expression which gives us the amount of change in terms of cents. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now question number 9. Okay, Rajat has a full bottle of juice. He drinks one third of the bottle on Monday. Okay, so much on Tuesday. Find the fraction of the bottle remaining. Okay, so you see, uh, from one bottle, he drank one third on Monday, right? So what is left is 1 minus one third. Does it make sense or no? So after Monday, when it third of it, so 1 minus one third, right? This will give you the amount of juice left after Monday. So on Tuesday, you will discuss, so you have to subtract this one minus so this will give you the fraction of the bottle which is left after Tuesday. Okay, does it make sense or no? So how will we solve this thing? The common denominator should be 21. So this is 21 and minus 11 minus no 9, right? So it is 21 minus minus 7 and minus 1. It will be minus 16. Okay, over 21. So 16 minus 21, 21 minus 16 would be 5. 5 over 21. So 5 over 21 part of the bottle is left after. Okay, I hope it makes sense. Okay, question number 10. Okay, by rounding each value correct to one significant figure. Okay, one significant figure means what? When we round it to one significant figure, it is going to be 3 only, right? This would be 8 only, and this would be 10 only. Okay, 1, 0, it is one significant figure. Similarly, this expression for one significant figure will be 8 and 3. Okay, now things are easy. We have to calculate this thing b equals dm plus 2mk. So d is 3 times m is 8 plus 2m is 8 and k is 10. So it's going to be 24 plus 160. So this is going to be 4, 8, 1. Am I right? Okay. Rearrange the formula to make m the subject. Okay. So you see the formula is b equals dm plus 2mk. So if I take m common from these two, it will be d plus 2k, am I right? And from here, if I try to isolate m, it is going to be b divided by e plus 2a. Okay, I hope it's clear. I hope I'm not confusing you guys. Okay, question number 11. Okay, this is interesting. Uh, so ST line and QR line, they are parallel, right? And this is the triangle PQR is a triangle. Explain why triangle PQR is mathematically similar to triangle PST. So PST is smaller triangle and PQR is the bigger triangle. And they are similar to each other. So similar means that all three angles are equal to all three angles of the other triangle. I mean, three angles of one triangle are equal to three angles of the other triangle. Then the triangle are considered to be similar, right? Okay. So you see, this is very easy. Remember, whenever you have two parallel lines, right? If these two lines are parallel and a third line is crossing it, then these angles are equal, right? So with the same logic, since these two lines are parallel and this is intersecting it, so this angle has to be equal to this angle. Makes sense? So this is equal to this. And since again the two lines are parallel, third is crossing them, so this angle would be equal to this angle. So this angle is equal to this angle, right? And this angle is common to both triangles, the smaller triangle PST and PQR, right? It is common in both of those triangles. So that's why these three angles are equal to three angles of the smaller triangle are equal to the three angles of the bigger triangle. So that's why these two triangles are similar to each other. Okay, I hope it is clear. If you want to write it down, then there are you have to write that to explain that why this angle, for example, let me write it down. Angle PST is equal to angle PQR, right? And the reason is that it is the reason this uh, created by similar angle. What's that? There's a special name for these two angles. Uh, Angles created from intersection of this third line to the parallel lines. So PQ intersect the two parallel lines ST and QR. Okay, so I don't remember this is the called similar angle, not similar angle corresponding angle. I'm not sure. Anyway, so this is that's why you can give the other reason and this are angle because this angle is same because they're common together, common in both angles. Okay, now this B part is easy. It's interesting. ST is 3 centimeter, Q is 9 centimeter. Find PQ. You see, when triangles are similar, the ratio between the sides is equal, right? So ratio of all three sides is same. What does it mean? Let me explain. You see, ST and QR, ST and QR. Okay, this is given. So whatever is the ratio between ST and QR, right? So whatever is the ratio between this side and this side, it means smaller side divided by the bigger side, right? It is going to be the same as PS. Okay, so PS over PQ. Does it make sense? And let me write down the third one as well. ST and QR, PS and PQ, and PT and PR. Okay, you see, this is valid when the triangles are similar. what am I trying to say? That whatever is the ratio between this side and this side, let's say they are double of this one. Okay, if this is double, then this one PS is also the double of this going to be PQ. So whatever the ratio between ST and QR, same will be PS and PQ. And same with the ratio between PT and PR. PT and PR. So all of these ratios will be the same if the triangle are similar. Okay, so from here, I will use the first two, this one. Okay, and can I write like QR over ST is equal to PQ over PS, right? I chose these two fractions and then I'm writing the reciprocal of them. So from here you can see that QR, what on PQ, sorry, you have to find, okay, sorry. So from here you can see that PQ is equal to QR over ST and multiplied by PS, right? If I take this on the other side, so PQ would be equal to this thing, okay? Now what is QR? QR is given as 9. What is ST? It is given as 3. And multiplied by PS, which is given as 5. So you can see this is going to be 15 centimeter, right? So PQ is 15 centimeter. Okay, you can do it without any such this calculation. You see what is given over here that ST is 3 and QR is 9. So ST is 3 and QR, sorry, ST and QR, yes, sorry. Okay, yes. So QR is 3 times more than ST, right? ST is 3 and QR is 9. So QR is 3 times more than this one. Okay. So if this is the case, then PQ would be 3 times PS. PS is 5. So this must be 15. Okay, makes sense. That's why we got 15. I hope I'm not confusing you and it makes sense whatever I'm saying. Okay, now the next part C. The area of the triangle PST is 2K centimeters square. Find in terms of K the area of the quadrilateral QRST. Okay, this is interesting. You see, uh, if the ratio between the sides is 3, so the side is 3 times more, right? The area would be 3 square times more, 9 times more. Okay, so in other words, the area of the smaller triangle, what is the smaller triangle? It is PST, PST, right? So this area, if I multiply it with 9, it will be equal to the area of the bigger triangle, which is area of the triangle PQR. Okay, makes sense? Since the ratio between the smaller triangle and bigger triangle is 3, right? It is 3 times more. The length of the sides are the 3 times more. The area would be 3 square, which is 9 times more. Okay. So, what is the area of triangle? It is given here. PST is 2K, right? PST is 2K, right? 2K centimeters square is the area of this triangle. So into 9 will give you the area of the triangle PQR, right? Okay, now we need to find out the area of the quadrilateral QRST. So area QRST. QRST is this one, right? This one area, this area. So bigger triangle minus the smaller triangle. Okay, so this is going to be the bigger triangle, which is PQR, and which is 18K. You see, 9 times 2 is 18K, minus the smaller one, and smaller one is 2K. So this area is going to be 16K. Okay, I hope this is clear. So let me write it over here. That area is going to be 16K centimeters square. Okay, 16K centimeters square. Okay, I hope you're following me and I'm not confusing you. Okay, should we stop over here or continue? We have done. Okay, let's do one question. Okay, a fitness club has 100 members, 60 swims, 70 cycle, and 25 do not swim or cycle. So this bigger triangle represents the club, fitness club. It has 100 members. So everything should be 100, right? Okay. People who do not cycle or swim, they're 25. So 25 should be in this area, which is outside of the swimming and outside of the cycling. Okay. Now 60 swims. Okay. So in this circle, we should have 60 people, right? But 70 are in cycling. That is right. 70 are cycling. And this should be 25. So cycling and swimming combined should be 75, right? Now, out of 75, 60 swims, right? So it's 60 swims here and 70 are over here, right? So we can say that 70, how should I place 70? Uh, 60 are in swimming, right? And combined should be sorry, 70 are cycling and 60 are there. And combined should be 60, 75 only, right? Okay, so if 70 are here, then there should be 5 only here, right? In the same way, if 60 are here, right? If 60 are here, then here should be 15 only, okay? And okay, now here, you know, swimming was 60, so if 5 is there, then 55 should be over there. Okay, now let's check everything again. 60 swims. So swimming circle, it has 5 plus 55, so it is total 60. This is correct. 70 cycle, so 55 plus 15, it is 60, 70. And this is, the cycling is total 70. Okay, so this is correct as well. And 25 do not do, so the 25 are outside. And combine of all these is 75. So this is how the Venn diagram is completed. One member of the fitness club is chosen at random. For this member, find the probability that he is in cycling. Right? He is in cycling. Okay. So of course, what is the total number of cycling? Is 70 out of 100. Right? Total number for 100 and 70 are in cycling. So the probability of cycling is 70 over 100. Make sense? Okay. Next is, what's the probability that of the number of people who were in the intersection group, means cycling and swimming. So this is 55, right? So it is will be 55 over 100. Okay. Now, third one is probability that people are in swimming but not in cycling. Okay, you see what is this expression telling you? Swimming and not in cycling, right? It's not and, but it should be or. It's people are in swimming or not in cycling. Okay, so this is interesting. So swimming, yes, swimming is all these, right? So which is 55 plus 5, this is 60, right? Okay, now not in cycling. Okay, so not in cycling, that would be 25. Make sense or no? Okay, not in cycling is basically 25 plus 5, but 5 is already counted in this in the swimming group. So that's why we will include only 25, which is this one. Make sense or no? So this is going to be 85. So the answer of this part is 85 over 100. Okay, is it clear? So I think I should stop here. The video became quite long. So thank you very much for watching. If you ever have any question, you can always ask me in the comment section. And if you find these videos helpful, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.